Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Welcome to the Nasdaq. I'm Steve Brown with the Mid, and I want to introduce our host for this morning's ceremony, Joe Brantuck. Joe, come on up.
All right, thanks, Steve. Well, good morning, everyone. It is truly my great pleasure to welcome Discovery Family's Vice President, Angela Racio-Sundin, and Tara Strong, the voice of Twilight Sparkle. I would also like to welcome a warm welcome to the members of the Discovery family, Hasbro. I know we have other family members, we have kids, and all our distinguished guests to Nasdaq. We're excited that you could join us right here from the crossroads of the world in Times Square as we get set to ring today's opening bell. Now, there's certainly a lot to celebrate, and let me congratulate Discovery Family and Hasbro on their upcoming premiere of Season 7 of My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic. This is a major milestone and one that we're certainly proud to recognize today. Now, before I ask for a big round of applause to kick things off, I have to share with you, especially with these little kids, a little lesson. Here at Nasdaq, the louder that we clap and cheer, the higher the markets go up. All right? So let's test this out. Come on, guys. All right. Don't make a liar out of me, kids. The leading television destination for families in the United States, Discovery Family is available in more than 62 million U.S. homes and is a joint venture between Discovery Communication and Hasbro, two well-known NASDAQ-listed companies. Discovery Family is programmed with an inspirational mix of original series, family-friendly movies, and programming from Discovery's nonfiction library, as well as from Hasbro Studios' popular animation franchises, including My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic, Littlest Pet Shop, and the Emmy Award-winning Transformer Rescue Bots. Discovery Family is entering its third year as the #1 most co-viewed kids network, with 43% of kids 2 through 11 who are watching Discovery Family with an adult during prime time. Additionally, 3 months into 2017, DFC ranks as the #1 most co-viewed kids network, with 34% of kids watching 2 through 12, with kids watching with an adult. Nasdaq is proud of our partnership with Discovery Communications and Hasbro, working together, driving innovation, driving growth, and we are pleased to have you all with us today. Now, please join me in welcoming Discovery Family's Vice President, Angela Racio-Sundin, and Tara Strong to the podium. Come on up, guys.
Thank you, Joe. And to the members of NASDAQ for welcoming us here today, on behalf of Discovery Family and our joint venture partner Hasbro, I want to thank you for your kind words about our network, Discovery Family. We're thrilled to be celebrating the upcoming 7th season of My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic, with all of you today. Discovery Family is the official home of My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic, beginning this Saturday, April 15th at 11:30 a.m. We're kicking off our 7th season. With a fan base that encompasses kids, adults, and celebrities alike, it's no wonder My Little Pony is one of our biggest, most popular, and longest-running series to date. This season, fans will be introduced to fun new characters with surprising family ties to the main 6 ponies, comprised of Twilight Sparkle, Rarity, Applejack, Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash, and Fluttershy, throughout 26 magical episodes featuring brand new original songs and tons of adventure. This year, Discovery Family is pulling out all the stops. We're celebrating all week long with the original 6 seasons of My Little Pony between 6 and 5 every day this week, leading up to the big premiere of Season 7 at 11:30 this Saturday, April 15th. We're also thrilled to announce that new episodes can now be streamed live through our Discovery Family Go app, our first TV Everywhere app, available in app stores already. And we're very excited that we'll be able to have My Little Pony Season 7 on there as well. And now I would like to introduce Tara Strong, the voice of Twilight Sparkle, to help us ring in the opening bell.
Thank you, Angela. And on behalf of the main 6 and all the ponies of Equestria, it is my honor to join Discovery Family and the Hasbro team in magical Manhattan. I'm very, very excited for the new season and all the things that are coming up for the fans across the country. You don't want to miss a thing.
Thanks, Twilight. And please be sure to check out My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic, Season 7, this Saturday, April 15th at 11:30. Thank you.
Well, ladies, I can't think of a better way to celebrate the launch of Series 7 than to be here ringing today's opening bell. And to commemorate that, I would like to present you with the opening bell crystal. Congratulations.